Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach how to use thinner in our painting. Mean how to use thinner in our work. Well, thinner is the most important thing. I don't know everyone use or not, but I prefer to use. Why? Because it's having very so many benefits. Like we use our nail remover for to remove our nail paint, right? Same as it is when we use our color palette there on that color palette we forget to clean that, right? And when we forget to clean we are not able to remove that color from it. So I think as it's showing in the video, just you have to take a thinner on the sponge and just clean it with it. And one thing to remember, don't leave thinner on your color palette, because if you will leave thinner on the color palette, it is going to be burn your thinner color palette, sorry. It will be damage, it will going to be damage your color palette, because the thinner having their own properties and it will not work good if you will leave that thinner on it. So it's recommended from me, just keep your thinner on your, just take your thinner on the sponge and just apply it very fast, and then clean it with any normal cloth to clean it properly, right? And if you like, you are able to see it was very dirty color palette, means there were so many colors, but now it's looking properly new, right? Same as it is, you have to use your thinner on your color palettes, right? Color, the thinner is easily available in the hardware shop. If you are not able to get it, just use your nail remover, right? That is the same thing. It is also a thinner that we use to remove our nail paint. And see, here I am taking this glass color palette. It is a made by me, means we can make it at home very easily. Here I'm using the same sponge that I was using for the first color palette, and I'm cleaning it with that. And you can remove that color that is very much sticky and it's not able to remove with turpentine or any water. So it's beneficial to use this thinner, and I think it's a very important to use. So here I'm using this, and if you want to know how to make this color palette with glass, just message me. I will just comment down, I will tell you how to make. Here I am using more thinner. Like if you are able to see the part is not able to clean with normal, so I have taken more thinner to clean it more properly. Just see, just rub it with thinner and just clean it with normal cloth. It's very easy. See, it's properly clean. This is my old color palette. I think it's a 6 to 7 year old color palette, and you can see uh, on that time, when I was new in using thinner, I don't know what the benefit. I know the benefits, but don't know the drawbacks of it. So what I did on that time, I just leave the thinner on the this color palette, this one. When I saw this was happen, means my color and the color palette got damaged. So you have to clean it very fast. And here I'm selecting some brushes from these are my all the brushes. I have more brushes I am having, but from these I am selecting those brushes that is very sticky and not able to use just because of the color. And when we forget to wash it properly, and sometimes it's also need to be clean as we used to used to our hands and everything. So it's also important to clean our brushes, okay? And here I'm selecting those brushes which are hard and not able to use. I'm keeping that side, and those are flexible and able to use, I'm keeping according to the container, means on the where I want to place it. And I'm selecting that, and after later I will use that brushes to clean it. I will clean these brushes and will use same thinner. I'm taking a container, thinner, and a tissue paper, okay? Just take your tissue paper, make a 3 folds, and then take thinner in your container, a very small amount of thinner, and just put your brush into that. Just see, do very softly. If your brush is if the brush having too much color, then use a hard hand, otherwise just do it softly. You will able to clean your brush properly. Just clean it like this. Here in this brush there is too much color. It's a oil color that I am having in this brush. So just see, it was not able to clean with turpentine, so I used thinner here. So just use thinner to clean your brushes as well. It's very easy. If you are having much color and it's not coming out from this, then leave it, just dip once in the thinner and leave it side for 2 to 3 minutes, and same as it is I am doing here, and just clean it properly. It's very easy method to clean any brush that you are having. And here I'm using the tissue paper, same tissue paper, to clean that container and leaving side. Here the brush I have put in that, in the container, that is a glass color brushes, means when I did glass color, I used that brush into that. And as you know, the glass color is not easy, means when you use it's getting hard. My brush get hard, so I was thinking to why not to put in this thinner, and I got the good result. And my brush get clean and it's very flexible now. And you can also use this thinner in your painting, but don't forget that I have told, it's also having drawbacks, but benefits also we are having, but the drawbacks also we have to see. So don't let your color palettes and the things damage. Just clean it fast. If you are getting result, just comment down, and if you are happy with the result, then comment there. Thank you. Bye bye.